Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about TCP EXTRACT Tool. TCP EXTRACT is a tool to extract files from network traffic based on file headers, footers and its patterns. This command is used to update app database. After updating app database, use this command to install TCP EXTRACT Tool. And this command is used to check the available options in the tool. After installing the tool, we are now changing directory to documents through this command. After changing the directory, now we have created a folder named tester in the above command. At last, use this command to extract the files from the network traffic. Here in -D, we have to select the type of connection. And in -O, we have to select the folder in which we want to store the result. Now open your browser and access your targeted website. It will extract the files from network traffic and store the output in the tester folder you have created. We have used the above websites to extract the file as shown above. As we have mentioned before, the result have been stored in tester folder. That's all guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and share and do subscribe to our channel, Briskinfosec.